Blood pressure is the pressure inside of your arteries and your blood vessels. A good way to think about it is like a garden hose with water running through it. At any given point in time during the year, if it's too cold out or too warm out, you'll notice small contractions or dilations in the garden hose. And this is kind of like what happens with your blood vessels. Now, the other thing that's important to remember about this is that for whatever reason, if you stamp down on a garden hose at the end of it and you still have the water running, you'll have more pressure building up in the garden hose because of the extra flow coming forward with this. Now, what can happen with the garden hose is that it can get a little leaky sometimes from all that pressure building up. That's kind of like what happens in the blood vessels, both around your heart as well as in the rest of your body. And this can cause the natural elasticness of the blood vessels to decrease. And this can lead to a number of things. This can lead to small micro cracks in the blood vessels where cholesterol can be deposited, or it can lead to blood clots forming. And this can be one of the major risk factors for the development of heart disease later on. So treating blood pressure is probably one of the most, if not the most important risk factor to be treated for heart disease. And the best way that we treat this is usually with simple medications like lisinopril or carvedilol or amlodipine. Really things to get us to an ideal blood pressure of under 120/80.